Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Check Opera GX is updated and your OS has recent patches. Disable other VPNs or system proxies so they do not conflict. Once done, restart Opera GX and reboot the router to clear transient network states. You're taking immediate actions to isolate the problem. This reduces variables. Make sure your account or built-in VPN toggle is visible in the sidebar. If the toggle is missing, keep the browser open while you apply the next steps. You now dig into details. Toggle the VPN off, clear browser cache and site data, then restart Opera GX to force a fresh connection. Check firewall and antivirus rules, add Opera GX to allowed apps if blocked. Disable extensions one by one. Extensions often intercept network calls. If necessary, create a fresh browser profile or use private mode to see if your profile data is corrupt. Once you identify the conflict, re-enable safe extensions and reapply the VPN setting to confirm success. To finish, update or reinstall Opera GX if problems persist. This restores default VPN components. Test different VPN server locations and switch DNS to a public resolver like 1, 1, 1, 1 or 8, 8, 8, 8 to bypass ISP DNS issues. Once done, confirm websites load and your IP reflects the VPN. If things still fail, flush DNS and renew your IP address on your device. This often clears stale routing. If that fails, capture error messages.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.